Very good morning to one and all. With regard to Vidushi Saumya's query, I was asked to distinguish about the two different styles which we see only in traditional Indian dance, that is Margi and Desi. See, contemporary India is a country dotted with paradoxes where tradition and modernity, urban and rural, namely Margi and Desi. So all these finds itself in the postmodern construct without having lived through the Western process of modernization. Modernity is an Indian tradition, and thus what is traditional we see, or which is called, so we see this traditional aspect only in India. So from the ancient to the modern, or from modern to the ancient, the issues of post colonialism are enveloped in the inherent duality and polarity of multicultural, multi traditional India. Uh, in second half of 11th century, a very renowned work authored by Sharada Tanaya uh, who speaks about these two different forms of Desi and Marga in his work called Bhava Prakashana, of course, which consists 10 chapters or adhikarakas. So, there, exclusively in the 10th or the final chapter of Bhava Prakashana, the distinction between Nritta and Nritya and between Marga and Desi is elaborately explained by Sharada Tanaya. Of course, he contradicts Dhananjaya and asserts that Nritta, that is the pure dance, is rooted in rasa. Nrittam rasa aharyam. So, with this wonderful statement, he says that Nritta, that is the pure dance, is rooted in rasa. Sharada Tanaya's definition meant that Nritta not only beautifies a presentation but is also capable of generating rasa. So, this, that is during his time, this concept was indeed a novel view. And another interesting work, that is Sangeeta Samayasara of Parshvadeva, who comes in 12th century or first half of 13th century. So, in the seventh chapter of Sangeeta Samayasara, a renowned Jaina Acharya, the author of Sangeeta Samayasara called Parshvadeva, he says that music is of great relevance to dance. The seventh chapter of Sangeeta Samayasara, it is devoted entirely to the Desi dance. Of course, Desi dance is referred as Nritta in classical Sanskrit literature, especially in dramaturgy of Bharatamuni. And the definition and the characteristics and the postures which are used in this Desi are totally different from Margi. This particular text not only describes the specific nritta dance pieces, for example, Perana, Pekhana, Gundali, and Dandadarsha. So these are the very typical forms of Desi types. So it not only describes about specific nritta dance pieces, but also adds a number of new movements of the chari, the sthanas, and the karanas of the Desi variety. So all these involving the complicated leaping movements are vividly discussed in this particular work. Very interestingly, Parshvadeva, the author of Sangeeta Samayasara, he describes different karanas needed for the Desi dances and 11 types of Desi karanas with different Desi sthanas and approximately 5 types of Brahmaris are also explained in this particular work. Therefore, and not only this, I also would like to quote another interesting Desi type of dance that is mentioned by Harshavardhana Sarvabhauma in his exemplary work that is in Ratnavali Natika. Natika is treated as Uparupaka. Out of 18 Uparupakas, Natika is also one. So, in this Natika named Ratnavali, in the very first act of Ratnavali, Harshavardhana Sarvabhauma he mentions a very Desi type of dance called Charchari. Charchara is nothing but clapping. So, this very unique type of Charchari is mentioned in Ratnavali, where in ancient times in India, during a very huge carnival, renowned performers and dancers, by clapping, they used to enact or they used to present some plot with this typical Desi type of dance. Therefore, when we refer Bharata's Natya Shastra or Dhananjaya's Dasharupaka, or thereafter being influenced by Dhananjaya's Dasharupaka or Bharata's Natya Shastra, we see many exemplary works which speaks about Desi as well as Margi type of dances. I hope I did justice for the query made by Srimati Vidushi Saumya. So if you have any queries, anytime you can just consult me or contact me. Dhanyavadaha. Namaste. Thank you.